welcome to Dress Up with Shay. I'm Chaitra Reddy. Thank you so much for tuning in. So as the title suggests, today's video is gonna be about wardrobe must-haves or wardrobe essentials, you can say. So by wardrobe must-haves, I mean that having these pieces in your wardrobe make your wardrobe way more sorted and dressing up way more easier, and you can play around with these, layering and accessorizing, different kinds of footwear and all that. So you can create a lot of outfits from these. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First one is very basic. I think all of us, like almost all of us, own at least one piece of this. That is t-shirts. Now there are different types of t-shirts like graphic tees, plain tees, polo tees. So you can choose whichever you want based on your style. I generally go for plain. So something like these, like this. So sorry. This is from Decathlon. By the way, Decathlon has really, all the plain t-shirts in like different solid colors with I think $200, which is a great price. If you want, you can go for like H&M or Forever 21 for t-shirts too. They have really good collections of basics. Or there's something like these which have like a very little detail which you can work around in many ways. So having at least like few basic colors of number of t-shirts is gonna help you a lot in future. So second one is also again a very basic thing, which is white shirts. I think everybody speaks about white shirts, and you really don't need an introduction to it. They are so versatile and so classy. Again, you can work in many ways with it. Like you can go from day to night in white shirts. So invest in a very good white shirt in your wardrobe, and your lot of formal looks are sorted basically. So yeah. And next one is denims. Now jeans, like one pair of jeans which you in the fit which you find very comfortable. Now this is one black denim. Very basic. Owning one black denim at least is very important. I mean, it's not, you can have a lot of jeans in your wardrobe which one might be loose, one might be tight. I'd say I have at least one denim which fits you perfectly. If you're going for like skinny fit, have one. If you're going for like boyfriend fit or mom's jeans kind of stuff, you still have at least one thing perfectly fit for you. It will help you a lot in future. Yeah, so it's denims. And coming to fourth item, it is sweatshirts. Sweatshirts really go from summer to winter to rainy, any kind of weather. Have like at least like 2 to 3 sweatshirts in basic colors like white, black, grey. You can they are very good, and they're not you can wear it in winter, like we can wear like something layering up, or you can wear it in summer too. So sweatshirts are very easy and very affordable too. Yeah, so this sweatshirts. Next one is strap tees. I mean strap tops or camisoles or whatever you call it. Preferably in black. They are very good, very comfortable, and having at least one strap tee is gonna save you a lot of time. Like instead of wearing plain black t-shirts inside or something like that, this is more comfortable, and you can also use it as like blouses for sarees if you want. Like you can work around like any way. So have at least one black strap tee or any other color which you like, preferably solid, because it goes with a lot of other patterns too. Yeah. Next one is skirts. Now you can go for denim skirts or like normal other material kind of skirts. So but have one skirt, at least one skirt, which is gonna be like it will go from party to shopping to this very casual this thing occasions. Or if you're not like, there are many types of skirts like mini, midi, and long and all that. If you're not that comfortable wearing mini, you can go for midi, like the knee length or something. If you think up with literally anything you find, like t-shirts to sweatshirts to anything, shirts. So have one skirt at least, like, yeah. Next one is our good old dresses. Now dresses are way more versatile than we think they are. So you can just pair it up with white sneakers and like one sling bag, you're ready to go, like casual, out. Or you can also pair it up like, you want to get a little dressy or something. So have one dress, like any fit, any pattern. Have at least one dress in your wardrobe, and you will have a lot of outings sorted. Next one, we're going towards ethnic wear now. So next one is one kurta. You might be a person who always wears like a western clothes a lot, but still having at least one kurta is gonna help you, on the days where you actually want to look ethnic, or but you feel like dressing ethnic. So you can go for completely Indian or Indo-Western with these. I have this anarkali kurta right here. So anarkali kurtas are very versatile. So have at least one kurta in your favorite color. If it's like solid colors like black or white, they're gonna go with anything. So yeah, one kurta is a must. Next one is one blouse, one perfect fit blouse. Now this is something a lot of us neglect. Like even I neglected it for a really long time in my life. And then at one point of time I realized that when I started wearing sarees very often, I realized that you need one blouse which goes with a lot of sarees. You can't keep getting new blouses stitched for every saree. If there are like plain or modern sarees, they actually don't come with blouses. So black or white, like preferably black or white or red and colors like these, have one perfect fit blouse. Search for your tailor, get your fit. You'll have a lot of failing blouses in the start, and then you'll find your perfect fit. And trust me, it is a holy grail when you're in a hurry and when you have a lot of things going on and you just don't have time for anything. Have one perfect fit blouse. Take time to make it, and it is worth it. So last one is one solid saree. Now this is also something which a lot of us neglect, and you can actually wear this with a lot of blouses, like not only one, like lot of blouses and lot of blazers, jackets, pairing up with other tops, cute tops and all that. I think having one solid saree actually works. It adds basics to your ethnic wardrobe. So invest in one really nice soft or I don't know what material you call it, anything you find soft. So invest in one solid saree. So that's it for today. Hope it helped you. If you have any suggestions or queries, please let me know. And if you got any questions, please comment in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.